Hello everyone. Today our topic is sentences. మనకు తెలుసు డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ సెంటెన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. మనం రోజువారీ మాట్లాడే మాటల్లో కూడా చాలా రకాలైన సెంటెన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. తెలుగులో మనం మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు కొన్ని వాక్యాలని, కొన్ని సెంటెన్సెస్‌ని మనం ఖచ్చితంగా ఇది ఇంతే అన్నట్టుగా చెప్తాం. కొన్ని వాక్యాలని క్వెషన్ చేస్తున్నట్టు అడుగుతాం. కొన్ని వాక్యాలని, కొన్ని సెంటెన్సెస్‌ని మనం ప్లీజింగ్‌గా అడుగుతాము. కొన్ని సెంటెన్సెస్‌ని ఆర్డర్ చేస్తాము. కొన్ని సెంటెన్సెస్‌ని ఆశ్చర్యంతో చెప్తాం. యెస్, నో? సో, అలాగే ఈవెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ వి ఆర్ హావింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ సెంటెన్సెస్ హియర్. లెట్ us know about a sentence. Let me explain you with some examples. Read the read the sentence what is there on the screen. A blue shirt is my brother wearing the boy. Second one, today rain made it. ఈ 2 సెంటెన్సెస్ ఏమన్నా మీనింగ్‌ఫుల్‌గా ఉన్నాయా? అర్థవంతంగా ఉన్నాయా? లేవు కదా! ఇప్పుడు గమనించండి. Now you can get a meaningful sentence. The boy wearing a blue shirt is my brother. The boy wearing a blue shirt is my brother. It may rain today. ఇప్పుడు మీరు చదివిన వాక్యాలలో ఈ 2 వాక్యాలు, ఈ 2 సెంటెన్సెస్ మనకి అర్థవంతంగా కనిపిస్తున్నాయి. మనకి ఒక మీనింగ్‌ని కన్వే చేస్తున్నాయి. సో, these are the group of words that are conveying the complete sense, that are making complete sense. So, we are calling these type of group of words as sentences. The boy wearing a blue shirt is my brother. Here you can observe the other thing. The sentence is starting with a capital letter and the sentence ends with a full stop. These are the basic rules to frame a sentence. The sentence should be meaningful and the sentence should start with a capital letter and the sentence should end with a full stop. And some sentences end with question marks and some sentences end with exclamatory marks. So I hope you understood what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. Let us know about kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences. One is assertive or declarative sentence. Second one is interrogative sentence. Third one is imperative sentence. And fourth one is exclamatory sentence. We are calling assertive or declarative sentences which are having statements. Ante declarative sentence is declaring the statement. That is the true, either that could be a true or that could be false. So here I have given you 2 examples. Rosie is an artist. She lives in Mumbai. Then the sentence declared the opinion, the sentence expressing the statement. Rosie is an artist. She lives in Mumbai. So these kind of sentences which are declaring, which are giving a statement, which are expressing opinion are called assertive or declarative sentences. Let us see the second one, interrogative sentences. So in the name itself we can get it. The interrogative sentences are the form of questions. So these are the types of questions. We know that there are 2 kinds of question forms. One are yes or no questions. Those we call as close-ended questions. So you can see here, have you had dinner? Have you had dinner? So you can say yes or no for this question. So these type of questions are called yes or no questions or close-ended questions. And you can see in the second one, where are you going? So where are you going? You can't say yes or no to this. You have to answer to this question. So where are you going? So these kind of questions are called as open-ended questions. So there are two types of interrogative sentences. One are Sarna questions and second one is open-ended questions. So you can say which sentence is ending with a question mark is interrogative sentence. Third one, imperative sentence. In imperative sentences, we can see commands. We can see commands. You can see here, keep quiet. It's an order. Keep quiet. It's an order, isn't it, children? So, second one, please give me your book. It's a request. You must practice yoga every day. It's an advice. Have a good day. It's a wish. These are all different types of commands. These are all different types of expressions. So these all comes under imperative sentences. And you can observe that please bring me a, glass of water. You can exercise every day. I wish to go to abroad. These are all kind of sentences which gives you which gives you a request, which makes a sense of advice, which makes a sense of a wish. These are all sentences comes under imperative sentences. So imperative sentence gives a command. Now fourth one, you can see here the fourth one, which is really useful, which is really very easy to identify these kind of sentences. Exclamatory sentences. These are having exclamatory mark at the end of the sentence. What a beautiful location it is. What a beautiful rose it is. We always use to express our feelings, express our sudden feelings or strong feelings in this format, in this form, in this type of sentence we can explain all our strong feelings and sudden feelings. And all these sentences are ending with an exclamatory mark, so you can identify all these kind of sentences. So children, today we have discussed about a sentence and types of sentences. So what is it, sentence, children? A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. And there are four kinds of sentences: assertive or declarative, which gives a statement. Second one, interrogative sentences, which questions. Third one, imperative sentences, those are all of commands. Fourth one, exclamatory sentences, which expresses sudden feelings. So, let us take a test, children. See the sentences which are on the screen and identify the type of sentence and note down in your book. Where is a cap? Where is my cap? Do you sing? I wish to go to abroad. I can't get down. Go to your room. How rude you are. The sun shines brightly. Is Jessie writing a letter?